Once you've written out your body paragraphs with your quotes, we're going to add in citations. We're going to do both an internal citation, which is an example right here, the procon.org, and we're going to use the Google Research tab to actually put in a footnote that is the actual citation that you're going to need to do to show that you're giving credit to your sources. There's a really great shortcut to do this. You have everything saved in your research document, so you should have the website and the title of the article and your quotes. An easy way to go in and do a citation is, if I've got my quote here, I'm going to just highlight that quote. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit the research tab option. So it's going to bring up right away that website that she used to pull this quote. Now what I want to do is, if I hover over it, I'll see a couple of options. They'll say preview, insert link, and cite. I want to hit the option that says cite. If I do that, then it'll bring up this little one right here. Then if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, it'll give me the citation for that quote. And I'm going to do that every time I have a quote from a source. So for example, my next one down here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to highlight, right click, and hit the research button. So here we go, there's that source. So I'm going to do the same thing. Right after that, I already have it highlighted still. I'm going to go ahead and click Cite. So there's my second source that I used on this page. Now every time I use a quote from a source, I'm going to need to go in and do this. So not just in body paragraphs, if you use it in the introduction, for example, or in your conclusion, you're going to need to do the same thing. This is basically going to be your avoiding of plagiarism, knowing that you've put in the citations, including the links right here, so I know where these quotes came from. So it's going to be a requirement to have these research tab citations as well as an internal citation. Now the internal citation is pretty simple. After the quote and after you do your citation right here, you just need to give me the name of the website it came from. So in this case, procon.org.